चलिए बॉर्डर दिखाना बनता है, कैन वी प्लीज शो बॉर्डर? This song gives us goosebumps, doesn't it?
This film was. This is where JP and I basically started off wanting to do things. इसके पहले हमने की थी काफ़ी फिल्में. Then things didn't work out. So then I met him and I said, let's do something which is. I want to do a war film because मैंने पापा की देखी है ललका. I mean हकीकत, and I love that film. And do you have anything to do with the war? Then he narrated me the Longewal story. And the minute he narrated me this simple line only about the whole thing, what it was, I said, let's do it. I was producing the film that time. I had taken up the whole project. I said, let's start from tomorrow only. But then eventually, obviously, then he wanted to start his company and then he requested, I said, okay, go ahead as long as we make the film. I think all the films जो बनी है जिस तरह से बनी, I think everybody was too deeply involved in them and they were so, the story was so motivating and the characters were so motivating that and the dialogues and the writing, his father was a great writer, O.P. Datta ji was very good. So that's what made Border. And also जैसे आज हम बात करते हैं ना स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ है बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट चाहिए, we've never worked like that. And we've made films like that without all that.
भरोसा,
so,
trust also.
It's a creative thing. It is there. It's the faith in the story which you have heard. It's the faith in the director who is going to be portraying that story. And obviously, they trust you as an actor to portray it. So we trust the writer and the director and the story which we have heard to do the thing. And each individual does his job. वैसे ही बनती हैं फिल्में, बट चलो दुनिया बदल रही है.
I understand. We'll take 2 more scenes. I like how it was beeped, but the most natural reaction, and I think from here your angry young man image was established.
This was a film which basically, when Raj Santoshi came to me, I mean he was just an assistant, कुछ नहीं था मुझे. I heard the subject and I wanted to do the film because I hear the subject and I straight away, if I like it, I go along with it. But somehow that time none of the producers I went to for the subject, and the producer who came to sign me also. When I said okay, I don't know why he ran away.
For this?
Somebody from South had come, with Raj. I don't know why. So then I said, but this is a good film, let's make it. So I went to quite a lot of other big producers. कोई बनाने को राजी नहीं था उस वक्त. नहीं, action film है, 2 हीरो होना चाहिए, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. So then I eventually went to my dad. He was shooting with JP Datta for Batwara that time in Rajasthan. I remember that. Took Raj there. I said, Dad, I want you to hear this subject because I want to do this film. So he heard the subject, he also loved it the way I did. So I said, can we produce it? He said, yeah, go ahead, I will produce it. So वहाँ से इसकी कहानी शुरू हुई, and this scene was the Muhurat scene.
This was the first shot?
Yeah, this was the Muhurat scene.
I thought ये तो mid में होगा. This is incredible.
We started the film with this.
Was it easy always to take out that intensity, sir? वो exhausting होता होगा ना कभी-कभी?
It is nothing exhausting or tiring. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता when we work.
Because emotionally it is quite.
It is getting into your character and doing it. You know, and that time we used to do how many takes? Raj always loves taking many takes. 30 takes, 25 takes, 40 takes. And we used to just keep doing it. And I don't find retakes kind of look demoralized. I don't. I said it is basically trying to get it out more out of you and don't feel because the minute you put something in your mind, you won't be able to do it.
Yeah.
So it was fun. This was what started it off.
Started off. It was fantastic. Okay.